How to reset Snapchat password if you forgot it. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. If you have forgotten the Snapchat password and you're not able to log in, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Snapchat password. So now here you can see my password is incorrect. So all you have to do now is tap on the forgot your password option. Now select via phone if you have connected your Snapchat with your mobile number, or select via email if you have used your email address. I'm going to select via email. This should now take you to reset password page. Now you simply have to enter the email address that you have connected with your Snapchat account. Now tap on the submit button. Now you can check your verification email in your inbox. You will be sent an email something like this. All you have to do now is click on the link to reset your password. Now here you need to create a new password. Then enter it one more time to confirm it. Now tap on the save button. Now as you can see, your password has been reset, so you can enter your username or email and then enter the new password to log into your Snapchat account. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.